art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw 6-7 from Plants vs. Brainrot, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So we're going to get started with a number 6, and we're going to start in the middle, drawing in a nice big circle for the first eye in the top corner. We're going to move down on a diagonal, replicating that. Let's move in towards the middle. We're going to draw in another circle for the eyeball. And then again, right in the middle for the pupil, just drawing in another circle. Now on the top right hand side, let's draw in a circle for that highlight. And then as we come down in the bottom corner here of that pupil, just drawing in a second circle for the last highlight. And then now let's color in our pupil black. Now let's draw the number 6. So right on the top, we're going to bring our diagonal line across. We're going to pull this line down, bringing that back over. Again, we're going to bring this through on the top of the circle. Let's come down. On the right hand side, we're going to draw in another straight line coming down. And then let's bring this line over. We'll pull this line up towards the eye, following that through as we come out on the left. Do the same thing in the middle. So we're going to bring this line up, bring this line over, and then we're going to bring this line back down. Let's pull this line through towards the eye. Let's move underneath. So we're going to draw in a small line coming across, and then we're going to bring this line down on a diagonal. Let's bring this line in, and then we're going to bring this line down on a diagonal again. We'll bring this line over and then back down. On the top below the eye, let's draw a diagonal line coming across. Now let's bring this diagonal line out. We'll bring this line in and back down. And then again, we'll bring this line in, back down, ending this at the same height as the distance of the line on the left. Let's close this off now with a diagonal line. Let's draw the center. Moving up, we'll draw a diagonal line coming across. We'll pull this line down on the left and right hand side. Now from here, we're going to bring this line in on a diagonal on both sides. We'll bring this line down towards the bottom. And then we'll flatten this out with another straight line. Let's move up. We're going to draw in a straight line coming across. We'll do the exact same thing on the bottom. Now we're going to draw in a diagonal line coming up. We'll do the same as we step out. And then we're going to do that again one more time, moving over. Let's move underneath. We're going to draw in another diagonal line coming through. Again, same thing, moving across. And then we'll do the same one more time, stepping over. Let's draw in our arms. So on the top, we'll draw a small diagonal line coming out. We'll bring this diagonal line through. For the thumb, we're going to draw in a small diagonal line coming down. Let's bring this line out on the top and bottom, ending that at the same distance there. Flattening that out with a straight line. Now from here, we're going to bring this line over on the top and bottom, and then again, flattening that out. Let's bring this line over from that corner towards the side, and then we'll pull this line in. Now let's bring this line out, and then from that corner, just pulling this up towards the side. Now from here for the wrist, we're going to draw in 2 diagonal lines coming across. Let's close off the hand, replicating that again. We're just going to make the stripe thicker. Let's move it for the hands. We're going to draw another diagonal line coming across. For the top of the fingers, we'll replicate that. For the middle, stepping up, we're going to draw a diagonal line. We'll do the same thing, moving down. And then we're going to pull this line down towards the bottom, closing that off. Now let's draw on the legs. As we come over on the left-hand side, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming out. We'll step in, replicating that, ending that at the same distance. And then we'll do that again one more time, stepping over. And we're just going to pull this one further down for this shoe. Now we're going to flatten this out on the front, bringing that over. We'll do the same as we pull this back on a diagonal. Let's move up, replicating that pattern. So 2 diagonal lines on the front, creating a stripe. We'll do the same as we pull this back on a diagonal on the right. Let's draw in the foot now. So we're going to draw in a straight line coming down. We'll do the same thing on the top left. From here, we're going to bring this line out. Let's flatten this out again with a diagonal line. From that corner, we're going to pull this line down, ending it at the same height as the line on the outside, as well as on the top. And then again from here, let's just flatten this out, pulling this line over on both sides. Now let's draw on the number 7. So coming over on the right-hand side, we're going to draw in a nice big circle for that right eye. In the middle, let's draw in another circle for the eyeball. And then right in the middle, we're going to draw in another circle for that pupil. Let's add in the highlights. On the top right, we're going to draw in another circle. We'll come down, drawing in a small circle on a diagonal. We're going to come down on a complete diagonal again on the right-hand side, leaving a gap from the side of the page, drawing in our right eye. Again, in the middle, let's draw in another circle. And then one last time for the pupil. Now on the top right, let's draw in another circle for that highlight. And then let's move down, drawing in another circle directly underneath. Now let's color in those eyes black. Let's draw the arm coming across. So on the top, we're going to draw in a straight line coming over. We'll do the same as we pull through on the bottom. Let's flatten this out with a straight line. And then coming over, we're going to replicate that 2 more times. Now let's draw in the thumb. So we're going to bring this line up and across towards the eye. We're going to pull this line down. We're going to stretch this across and then back up. One more time again, moving over, bringing that line through. Now let's frame in the 7. So we're going to draw a small diagonal line coming out, ending that at roughly the same height. We're going to bring this diagonal line all the way through. And then we're going to pull this back down towards the thumb. Now on the top, let's draw this diagonal line coming over again towards the right. And then we're going to bring this down towards the right eye. Let's bring this underneath and then across. Again, bringing this down and over. Replicating that, bringing that down and in. And we're just going to gradually keep doing this as we come all the way down on a diagonal. We're going to bring this down, across. And then one last time, just another diagonal line. Now let's move up from that corner. We're going to bring this line out and over. We'll bring this line out and over again. One more time, bringing this out and across. Now from here, we're gonna move this down, and then we're gonna flatten this out, pulling this across. Now let's draw in that right leg. So as we step in, we're gonna draw a diagonal line coming all the way through. We'll come over, replicating that. We're just gonna make this one shorter. One more time, stepping fully across. We're gonna bring this line down, ending that at the same distance there. We're gonna draw a diagonal line connecting this one on the back. And then we're gonna flatten this one out at the front. Let's move up, drawing in 2 more straight lines across. And then we'll pull these 2 lines up at the back on a diagonal. Let's step in. We're gonna bring this line down and over, replicating that on the right as well. Let's flatten this out on the front. And then we're gonna draw in another straight line coming down on both sides. Now from here, we're gonna draw a diagonal line coming across, closing off the back of the shoe. We'll do the exact same thing at the front. And then lastly, we're just gonna close out the fingers here. So we're gonna draw a diagonal line coming out. We're gonna bring this line up towards the top. And then we're just gonna draw in 2 diagonal lines moving over. And that is it. That's how you draw 6-7 plants versus Brainrot. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.